Hello there, Internet. Welcome to another The Action Teacher lesson. Today's lesson is hatsuon or pronunciation. Pronunciation. Today, let's talk about the vowels in these two different words. Let's look at sentence A. Sentence A says, I won't forget you. I won't forget you. Notice I'm moving my mouth like this. Whoa. Almost like I'm kissing. Whoa. I won't. I won't. Unt. There's an unt sound there. I won't forget you. So when you make the sound, there's actually two vowels. A vowel in Japanese is boing, right? Boing. A vowel is a boing, isn't it? So you see one boing, one vowel with your eyes, but you hear two. Whoa, ooh, whoa, ooh. I won't forget you. Kimi no koto wasurenai wa. I won't forget you. But the second sentence, I want to forget you, kimi no koto wasuretai, is just wa, want. I want to forget you. Very different sentences, but many students pronounce these two words the same. 全然違います。だけど、普通の生徒がよくね、同じ発音で発音するから、それダメ。Don't pronounce them the same way. Be careful. I won't forget you か I want to forget you. That's your little mini lesson for today. A good point when you're trying to speak English is listen to a native speaker and especially listen to the vowels. 特に母音ですね。This won't is not special. It's very common. よくあること。Here's another example. Don't. Don't. We're hearing do. Ooh. Double vowel, right? Do. Don't. 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 Don't talk to me. 話さないで。Don't do that. そんなことしないで。Don't do that. Don't touch me. 触るな。Don't touch me. Don't forget me. 私のことを忘れないで。Don't forget me. Not don't, but don't. That's your lesson for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be back soon with another video.
Action Teacher.